Okay, now that you've got all the air bubbles wedged out, you're going to have a piece of clay that looks like that, hopefully, if you wedged it properly. What you want to do is start going by making that big end a little smaller. All right? And round it out, square it up. There, we're ready to go. So now our clay is ready. Go ahead and put it on the wheelhead. Get ready. You're going to need these tools. You don't want to crowd your wheelhead with a bunch of unnecessary tools. So keep it simple. Wire tool, rubber rib, a nice flexy one, needle tool, another needle tool, because I'm going to lose this one, I know. There. Potter's knife, yep, natural sponge, and a manufactured sponge, and a little sponge. And we got this, so we'll throw in water. All right, now we're ready to rock.